All right, let's keep on going, you guys. I'm loving your questions. I'm doing my best to keep on answering them as well. So let's talk about how to attract customers, right? Because the online world is your window to unlimited customers when you promote something that's digital, okay? So we follow what's called the ultimate discovery system, where you learn how to build a brand. You can even learn how to build a brand faceless if you want, or you don't have to even talk on videos if you don't want. We have a copy and paste free ads method that we recommend. And of course, using social media. There's 5 billion people on social media. Gosh, what do they say? 170 million a day in the US, just in the US, log onto TikTok. It's wild, you guys. Like it is become a natural habit for everybody. So why wouldn't you want to spend an hour a day, that's it, on social media marketing, so you never have to hear the word no, you never have to bother a friend and family to buy from you?